I've been talking about how we can get a raise by investing in dividend growth companies. That's not the only way I invest my money. I also invest in growth companies. Today, I've got 7 fabulous companies that offer a really nice blend of growth potential and the promise of growing dividends over time. Each of the companies are solid choices for any investment portfolio, and some of them you can get at a discount right now. If you're new here, I'm Dee from Brown Girls Invest Too. Welcome to my channel. Company number 1, Apple. You may be watching this on an Apple device or own their products. Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, needs no introduction. It's a tech giant with a vast product ecosystem. Apple's stock value has grown 22% since this time last year. And the bonus is that they also pay a dividend yield of approximately 0.60%. That's not a very high yield, but the real beauty of it is that they are growing their dividend. Apple has consistently raised its dividend for the past 12 years, and they've got an impressive 3-year dividend growth rate of 6.19%. Their annual dividend is 96 cents per share. With the combination of capital appreciation and dividend growth makes Apple an attractive growth company. It could also be a stock that you want to hold forever. Company number 2 is Microsoft. Microsoft's ticker symbol is MSFT. Microsoft is another tech giant known for its office software, Azure cloud services, and innovative solutions. It offers a dividend yield of approximately 0.9%. A 0.90% dividend yield is not very high, but the real value lies in its consistent dividend increases. Currently, they pay out $3 per share annually, and Microsoft has increased its dividend for the past 21 years. Their 3-year dividend growth rate is 10.35%. And in keeping with that 3-year growth rate, it recently announced a 10.30% increase in dividend that it'll pay out. Now imagine getting a more than 10% raise in your salary for the next 3 years. Over the past year, Microsoft's stock price has appreciated by 32.61%, which outperforms the broader market. They have a strong presence in cloud computing, and if you don't know, Microsoft is one of the companies that provides the backbone infrastructure to artificial intelligence. They've integrated their Copilot platform into Office, and in November, it will roll it out to Office 365 Enterprise customers. This is a top choice for growth investors looking for dividend growth as well. Company number 3, Visa. Visa's ticker symbol is V. A lot of people think Visa loans money or issues credit cards. That's not true. What they do is operate the payment processing network, which facilitates payments. Banks actually extend credit to people. Visa is a global leader in payment processing, facilitating electronic transactions worldwide. Visa currently offers a dividend yield of 0.75%, and they've been increasing their dividend payouts for the past 14 years. Visa has a 3-year dividend growth rate of approximately 15%. That's a very generous increase and a nice raise without having to do anything for it. How often do people get that kind of a raise? Combine that with their stock price appreciation over the past year, and you've got a growth stock with great potential. Company number 4 is McDonald's. Moving on to the iconic fast food giant, McDonald's Corporation, ticker symbol MCD. McDonald's is known for its worldwide presence and brand recognition. Currently, they offer a dividend yield of 2.68%, which is higher than most of the companies we've discussed so far. McDonald's has consistently raised its dividend for the past 47 years, and that makes it a dividend aristocrat. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 6.17%. Their stock price has also seen solid appreciation over the past year. This combination of a decent yield, Dividend growth and stock appreciation makes McDonald's an attractive growth and income stock. Company number 5, Lockheed Martin. Given the current events, we're going to pivot to the defense and aerospace industry with Lockheed Martin Corporation, ticker symbol LMT. Lockheed Martin is a major player in this sector. It currently offers a dividend yield of approximately 2.86%, which is higher than many of the companies on our list. Their annual dividend is $12.60, with an annualized dividend growth rate of 8.20%. Lockheed Martin has a pretty impressive dividend track record, having raised its dividend for the past 21 years. Their 5-year dividend growth rate stands at 10.2%. Again, getting 10% on average for the past 5 years is kind of hard to do. Over the past year, Lockheed Martin's stock price has shown strong appreciation, adding to its allure as a growth and income investment. Company number 6, Realty Income Corporation. Now we're going to switch over into the world of real estate with Realty Income Corporation, ticker symbol O. Realty Income Corporation is a REIT, R-E-I-T, which means Real Estate Investment Trust. Realty Income leases mostly standalone properties to big-name companies. Companies like Dollar General, Walgreens, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Walmart, CVS, and the list really goes on. They have a very large portfolio. Realty Income is known as the monthly dividend company for its monthly dividend payments. As I said earlier, their list of well-known clients is huge, and their remaining lease terms average 10 years. They have a dividend yield of 6.02%. They pay out an annualized dividend of $3.07 per share. Their annualized 3-year dividend growth rate is 3%. Now, they are a dividend aristocrat because they have increased their dividend over the past 30 years, even though they've been paying dividends for over 50 years. That's a really incredible feat. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock price has shown solid appreciation, but recently it's been down, meaning it's actually on sale right now, which provides both growth and income potential for investors. Company number 7, Starbucks. Last but not least, we have Starbucks Corporation, ticker symbol SBUX. Starbucks is a global coffee house chain with a strong presence and very loyal customers. Starbucks currently offers a dividend yield of 2.42%, and they pay out an annual dividend of $2.28, which is decent for a growth stock. Starbucks has consistently increased its dividend for the past 13 years, and they've got a 3-year dividend growth rate of 10.31%. Over the past year, Starbucks stock price has shown growth, proving that it is resilient in these tough times, but has also been on a pullback of late. This means that it is also on sale right now. You can get it at a discount. Okay, I've given you the 7 companies: Apple, Microsoft, Visa, McDonald's, Lockheed Martin, Realty Income, and Starbucks. All of these represent a great blend of growth potential, and they provide a dividend. Again, the dividend yields may not be the highest, but their consistent dividend increases, along with their 52-week price appreciation, make them really nice choices to be considered for a long-term growth investor that seeks to grow their income stream. These companies have strong growth, and they have good dividend characteristics, but the future is uncertain. Please remember that investing involves risk, and it's important for you to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That wraps up our discussion on these fantastic companies. If you found this information valuable, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that you receive notice anytime I put out another video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one.